Alright, Mike, so I'm going to show you the gist of how to do what I just did with that mod you asked me how to install. I don't have the file anymore, but as long as you do this, you shouldn't have a problem. Actually, I might still have it in here. We're just going to take that, because that actually is the file. So it's a .rar file. You can extract this if you want to, you don't really need to. When I did it and it kind of worked, I just left it as a .rar. So you're just going to go ahead and open up your mod manager. Do it for Skyrim, obviously. It'll load up. Okay, so you have some options on the left hand side here. What you're going to want to do is this one, which is add mod from file. And you're basically just going to find it wherever it is. So I went to this PC and it's on desktop because that's where I put it. So you'll just go to it here, you'll click it, you'll do open, and then you'll see down here in your download manager it's going to act like it's a regular mod. So it'll say it's been added. So just roll down. It's going to be under unassigned, more than likely. So here we go, unassigned. And you see Draven Armor. And so you just double click it like a regular mod. Green check means it's done. And there's the green check, so it's done. And to double check, you probably want to go ahead and open up your Skyrim. And just go to your data files, and it should be right there. Draven.esp. So that should add it. Like I said, I already have a mesh situation with my... it's actually not showing here as one of these because it's technically a mesh file. So the script you see here, the Draven.esp, that's placing the armor into one of the barrels. The other files are the actual meshes and textures. So those are going to end up just in your data files. You're not going to see those there. But yeah, if it doesn't work, then you can just go back to your Nexus Mod Manager and uninstall it or delete it. I'm going to delete it because I have no use for it. But that is the gist of it. It should more than likely work for you. Just because you don't have, as long as you don't have any other texture mods, it should work. So just keep that in mind. If you do have anything else, like it may not even work with immersive armors. So if you have immersive armors installed, I would suggest you delete it. It'll probably conflict. Or even just disable it for when you try to do this. So I'm going to go put it in the recycling bin or the trash where it and you belong. Hope that helped.